For starters, what is a U-Box container? It's a closet-sized portable container roughly 5 feet wide, 8 feet deep, and 7 feet tall. These containers are a good way for customers to move cross-country without the hassle of driving a moving truck. There are 3 services you can offer U-Box customers: U-Box Load Unload, U-Box Delivery and Load Unload, and U-Box Delivery Only. Unlike all other services you can offer, U-Box services are based on flat rate fees and per mile rates for delivery purposes. U-Box jobs do not account for the number of hours or workers needed to complete them. With that being said, do not attempt to charge customers for those hours or workers. The U-Box Load Unload service is simply loading or unloading the contents in each U-Box container. The customer has already made arrangements for the U-Box containers to be on site for you to provide the service. Now let's talk rates. Your pricing for loading and unloading should be equal to your 2-helper 2-hour rate, as it takes approximately 1.5 hours to properly load a U-Box container. On average, this is around $100 to $120. Then, set your rate for each additional U-Box container, generally a tad less than the first. To make up for your travels, if you choose to offer this service in zones further away from you, we'd recommend charging a bit more. For those jobs closer to home, perhaps a bit less to encourage customers to book with you. U-Box Delivery and Load Unload. Using your own vehicle, pick up the U-Box container at the assigned U-Haul location. You can view these locations on your zone dashboard map labeled U-Box Locations. U-Box containers will be transported on a trailer hooked up to your vehicle's hitch, delivered to the customer's location, load or unload contents in the U-Box container, and return the container back to the U-Haul location. Multiple trips may be needed. Delivery rate is based on round-trip mileage for each U-Box container from U-Haul to the customer's location and back. Loading or unloading is based on a flat rate fee for each U-Box container. The rates the customer pays is based off which zone their address is located in. The load-unload rate should be similar to the U-Box load-unload rates we discussed earlier in this video. Delivery mileage rates are on average between $3 to $5 per mile. U-Box Delivery Only. Using your own vehicle, pick up the U-Box container at the assigned U-Haul location, deliver to the customer's place, and at a later time or date, retrieve the U-Box container and return it back to U-Haul. Rates are based on a flat rate delivery fee and round-trip mileage for each U-Box container. Your mileage rate should account for time, fuel, and expenses. Your delivery fee should factor in the time to hook up and return the U-Box containers at the U-Haul location. Want to check your U-Box service rates? Use the rate calculator to the right to simulate a U-Box job. Enter in the number of U-Box containers and the number of miles round trip to see what the customer will be charged. Have any other questions? Visit the support page on your account or email support@movinghelper.com.